This stretch between Thanksgiving and New Year's is definitely my favorite time of year. And what better place to celebrate the holidays in New York City than here at the Carlyle? I'm Garrow Kedigian. Welcome to my home at the iconic Carlyle residence, where the magic of Christmas past and present meet. And when you're a designer that loves color, holiday decorating is your chance to gild the lily. Let me show you what I did this year. Here in my bright, brilliant blue entry foyer, I set the mood for the holidays with these berry branches on the entry console. Here's a great tip. I love to use cranberries, actually, on the tips of the branches, just to spruce up the berry branches as they dry out over the season. I also handmade this wonderful magnolia leaf wreath. Here's a tip too. You can save your old branches, dry them out, and then use them for a wreath the next year. Sprinkle in a few holiday cards and voila, 'tis the season. And speaking of wreaths, my holiday decorating would never be complete without the wreath on my front door. And of course, holiday attire doesn't hurt either. Love my sweater? Normally, I place my tree in my living room, but because I spend so much time at my desk working, I decided this year it would be perfect to put it in my library/office. And what better backdrop for a Christmas tree than a fiery colored room? Naturally, I think for everyone, holiday decorating just starts with a tree. And I always like to find a tree that's a little wonky, a little irregular, a little quirky, just like me. I love to mix lights on a tree. It's a subtle layering that gives the tree an authentic and timeless feeling. And that feeling is something I love to incorporate into all my designs. I decorate the tree with ornaments that I've collected through the years. My favorite way to hang the ornaments is to use a bright red ribbon and tie them directly onto the branches of the tree. My tree topper this year is a brilliant, jewel-studded cone. The hollow shell was perfect because it allows you to run some lights through and that adds a lovely sparkle. And of course, I added some cranberries. They're light and airy and add a festive highlight to boughs of branches that can't support ornaments. The key to anyone's tree is creativity. After all, the best design is breaking the rules. Since I placed my Christmas tree in the library this year, of course I still wanted a festive element in the living room. So this window niche was the perfect opportunity for my branch display, a little ode to Christmas past. Years ago, when I was just starting out, I lived in Boston and had a very meager budget for holiday display decorations. So I went out to the park and found interesting branches and hung some ornaments from them. It was my first Christmas living out on my own, and I always like to recreate it somewhere, just to remind me. And a jar of cranberries, again, adds a little bit of cheer to the dining table. And I dressed this Roman head in my dining area with this traditional Santa Claus hat. And at the console beside my dining area, another fabulous magnolia wreath and an overflow of Christmas cards. But the cherry on top of my holiday decorating are the strands of lights that I wrap around the garlands that I swag from the railings of my outdoor terrace. It just extends the magical sparkle of the holidays from inside to out. And magic is what this time of year is all about. The holidays are a perfect time to be playful with your interiors, and I'm thrilled that you're able to join me to see how I've pulled it all together this year. Have a happy holiday.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.